Are you ready to stop stressing about money and start building real wealth? Imagine a life where you're in complete control of your finances, where every decision you make moves you closer to your dreams. That's what Money Mastery is all about. In this video, I'll show you 10 powerful steps to take control of your money, grow your wealth, and create the life you've always wanted. Stick around because I'll reveal a simple but game-changing tip that can transform your financial future in just minutes. Let's dive in. First, develop a money mindset. Sarah and Alex both earned $50,000 a year. Sarah saw her income as a limit, while Alex saw it as a starting point. 5 years later, Sarah was still stuck in the same job. But Alex had built a thriving online business and invested in real estate. The difference? Mindset. To master your money mindset, believe in abundance, not scarcity. Focus on growth, not limitations. And celebrate small wins to build momentum. Write down one limiting belief about money and reframe it into an empowering statement. For example, "I'll never be good with money" becomes, "I am learning to master my finances every day." Second, create a budget blueprint. 78% of people who budget feel more in control of their finances. A budget isn't a restriction, it's a tool for freedom. Track your spending using apps like Mint or YNAB to see where your money goes. Set clear goals by allocating money for savings, investments, and fun. A good rule of thumb is the 50-30-20 rule. 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings and debt repayment. Review your budget weekly to stay on top of your spending and adjust as needed. Download a budgeting app today and track your spending for the next 7 days. Third, become a debt destroyer. Jake had $25,000 in student loans and credit card debt. He used the debt snowball method to pay off his smallest debt first, gaining momentum and confidence. Within 18 months, he was debt-free and saving for his dream home. To crush your debt, list all your debts, including balances and interest rates. Choose a strategy: snowball, smallest debt first, or avalanche, highest interest first. Increase payments by using extra income from side hustles or savings to pay off debt faster. Pick one debt to focus on this month and commit to paying it off. Fourth, start a savings sprint. 40% of Americans can't cover a $400 emergency. Don't let that be you. Start small by saving $20 a week. It adds up to over $1,000 in a year. Automate your savings by setting up automatic transfers to a high-yield savings account. Cut unnecessary expenses by canceling unused subscriptions and cooking at home more often. Open a separate savings account and automate your first deposit today. Fifth, unlock an income boost. The average millionaire has 7 streams of income. If you're relying on one paycheck, you're leaving money on the table. Start a side hustle like freelancing, tutoring, or selling products online. Monetize your skills by teaching, coaching, or consulting in your area of expertise. Leverage technology by using platforms like YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram to scale your efforts. Brainstorm 3 ways you could earn extra income and take the first step this week. Sixth, make an investment jumpstart. Emily started investing $100 a month at age 25. By 35, her portfolio was worth over $20,000, thanks to compound interest. Start small by using apps like Acorns or Robinhood to begin with just $5. Diversify by investing in index funds, ETFs, or real estate. Stay consistent by automating your investments to build wealth effortlessly. Open an investment account and make your first deposit this week. Seventh, use tax tactics to keep more of what you earn. The average person loses 30% of their income to taxes, but smart strategies can save you thousands. Maximize retirement contributions by contributing to a 401k or IRA. Claim deductions by writing off business expenses, education costs, and more. Invest in tax-advantaged accounts like HSAs or 529 plans for extra savings. Schedule a meeting with a tax professional to review your deductions. Eighth, embrace the automation advantage. Mark automated his savings and investments. Within 5 years, he had a $50,000 portfolio without lifting a finger. Automate your investing by using robo-advisors like Betterment or Wealthfront. Automate your savings by setting up automatic transfers to your savings account. Automate your bills to avoid late fees and build your credit score. Automate one financial process this week, like setting up a recurring investment. 9th, create a legacy plan. True wealth isn't just about you. It's about creating a lasting impact for future generations. Invest in appreciating assets like stocks, real estate, or businesses. Protect your wealth by setting up wills, trusts, and estate plans. Teach financial literacy by passing down money skills to your kids. Start one long-term investment, like a college fund or real estate property. 10th, take the Money Mastery Challenge. Drop a comment with your #1 financial goal for the next 12 months. Want more money mastery tips? Hit like, subscribe, and share this video. Your journey to financial freedom starts now.